This is what I took with me on a recent 7-day trip to Kansas City. I was there for a conference, so I had to have a little bit of professional clothes and some socializing, which I could dress down for. I took the train to get there because I live in St. Louis. It's only 5 hours. And the weather was going to be approximately 100 degrees every day with 100% humidity. It gets hot in the Midwest. So I packed accordingly. Of course, I packed lots of underwear and socks, which is usually what I do. I always pack extra socks because sometimes at the end of the conference day, I like to change my socks. I brought a couple of button downs, one of which I didn't end up using, and a polo shirt, and several t-shirts because I knew it was going to be hot, and then my pair of quote-unquote nice jeans. And that's what I pretty much wore everything except for one of the button downs. As far as electronics go, because I was just taking the train and I would be working all week, I decided to take with me my usual set of electronics plus a couple of extras. So of course I had my 15-inch MacBook Pro, my iPad Pro, my Bose headphones, which of course come with me everywhere. And then I also had a keyboard and mouse and a roost stand, which is very useful because it puts my laptop at eye level, which is really nice. I brought my snake charmer, which is full of wires and stuff that I needed to connect into the various things. I always bring this with me everywhere I go. And this little pouch here just had a few extra wires that I needed to be able to reach for immediately. I also brought a spare battery. And as far as what I had with me on my person, I had my NYX minimalist wallet, my phone, a knife, my keys, and of course my AirPods. All right, so here's how I packed this thing. Typically, I like to roll my clothes for maximum room and then just unroll them when I get to the hotel. Like most Tom Bihn bags, these are pretty forgiving if you overfill them a little bit. And I purposefully go small for when I travel because I find that because I pack so much and tend to overpack bags, I don't want to, have to carry around this huge thing. And this with the absolute shoulder strap was just fine to carry, especially just walking down the road from the train station. Toiletry kit on top. Kind of put that in there like that. And then finally, the laundry stuff sack. I just put it in this little side pocket here. This was all the stuff that I would carry with me to the conference. Because I was taking the train, I didn't mind the extra weight and I was working all week, so I wanted to make sure that I was comfortable once I got to my place. So have myself, of course, my trusty Synapse 25, the Freudian slip, which I find to be supremely useful, and of course my snake charmer, organizational pouch, Bose headphones, roost stand, iPad, MacBook Pro, and keyboard and mouse, and a spare battery. Inside of the Synapse, of course, I have the cache here and a cache here attached to both parts of the bag. And I also have, this is hard to see, but I also have the internal frame on the inside. And that helps. And I have found that this thing is an unsung hero of the Synapse. I find that it's much nicer to carry when it has the internal frame inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack it up for you. So this is kind of how I did it. So I had my battery and my roost here. I would put my keyboard and my mouse together. Let's see. I would put my organizational thing. I would clip it to the O-ring inside of here and have easy access to that. Put in my adapter, just kind of shove it in there. Zip this up, flip it over, just toss it in here. I usually don't use that thing. I don't know why I bring it. As far as inside the Synapse goes, put the Synapse there. Snake charmer always goes there. Let's see. iPad goes into this cache right here. And that cache there. Freudian slip goes right up at the top of there. And Bose headphones, which I usually put, I think, right about here. So, zipped up, Zipped up, it's a pretty packed bag. This one's 17 pounds and about, I'm trying to keep it steady, about 17 pounds, 10 ounces. So this bag with the shoulder strap fully packed weighs in about 10 pounds, 14 ounces. This is a fully loaded Synapse 25, carried everything, and this was my night flight travel duffel. I bought this on eBay recently. It's actually a retired product, but they're pretty popular and this one was new, so I thought I'd go for it. All in all, this was about 31 and 32 pounds of gear, and I ended up using almost everything in both bags, and so I would probably say that I carried these all pretty well, and for a trip to Kansas City on the train, it turned out just fine.